Hello, wonderful people. How are you doing today? I'm sure you are having a nice time. Good morning to you. Still your favorite program, A Little Sound with Music. You know how we do it. We learn sounds of English, pronunciation of words, talk about everything you can ever imagine. Let's talk about something different. I know that some people will be like, it's only vowel sounds she's doing. Okay, you're going to talk about consonant sounds today. What about that? Yes, I'm sure you're going to enjoy that. So let's get started. The very first consonant sound I'll be talking about today is a sound everybody pronounces every day. This sound is sometimes not really seen or observed in most words where it occurs. But today we talk about it in a deeper way. The sound is written as though we want to write letter S, but not really S. This is longer than the S usually write. So it will look as if you've written something like snake, but it's not as long as that snake. Alright, so it will just look very long, unlike your usual S. So that particular sound is pronounced as shh sound. Let's take, for instance, someone is talking and you want to hear yourself say, hey, shh. That's the sound you made. Okay, so let's talk about the sound. It is a voiceless sound, yes, and it's very simple to make. We see the sound and letter C in words. For instance, we have words like ocean, ocean, okay? I can give another word like precious. Oh, that is so precious to me. Precious, precious. Try not to say precious. My name is Precious, okay? So don't say precious. I have another one I could give like social. How's a social life? Social. I'm sure you don't say social. Okay, let's talk about another spelling symbol. Letter S in some words. Words like sugar, sugar. So don't try to say sugar. Just say sugar. I have another one like sure, sure. Are you sure about that? Or there's sometimes you call that word sure. Still correct anyway. Alright, I have another spelling symbol, which is the basic spelling symbol for this particular sound. That spelling symbol is SH in a word. When you have SH in a word, it is automatically sh sound. Yes, it could be at the beginning of a word, it could be at the middle of a word, and it could be at the end of a word. I have examples like sheep, sheep, shelter, shelter, sharp, sharp. Let me give you examples where it is at the middle. Bishop, the bishop. Worship, I worship you, God. Worship. Alright? I have another one to be wish. How wish you were here? Wish. Your wish is my command. Okay, I have another one to be push. Push harder. Push. That reminds me, when we have push, you know what you do? You push it forward. When we have pull, you pull it to yourself. Yes. Okay, so push. You don't say push. And the last one I have there is rush. Rush. Okay, let's talk about another spelling symbol where we have sh sound. That's S in a word. You could say double S in a word. For instance, we have mission. What's a mission here? Mission. So don't say mission. Okay? And I have passion. Passion. I have passion for singing. Like seriously. Okay, I have assurance. 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 Commissioner. Commissioner. And then there is this word I want to talk about. It's very important to me. I have heard many people mispronounce it. Most people call that word pressure. The pressure is too much. The word is pronounced as pressure. Please try to say pressure. Okay? From now on, that's the right pronunciation. So say pressure. Don't pressurize me. Pressurize. So don't say don't pressurize me. Don't pressurize me. Pressurize. Okay? Please try to say that word that way. Okay, continuing. I have another spelling symbol which is letter T in a word. Now this T is usually when there is I-O-N after the T. I have words like mention, mention, function, function, nation, nation, station, radio station. I'm at a station. Alright, there is a spelling symbol I want to talk about. Letter S in a word. Now, I'm going to give you a group of words that have the letter S as sh sound. I also want you to take a note of something. You realize that after letter N in each of these words, that's when you see the letter S. I'm explaining this because I'm going to talk about a different sound which may get you confused if you don't learn this right now. Okay, so there will be letter N before the letter S that will not give you the sh sound. I'll give you examples, then you understand better. For instance, I have words like mansion, mansion, tension, tension, dimension, dimension. I hope you can observe the end there. Pension, pension, comprehension, comprehension. Have you seen that? Okay. Other word examples are schedule. What is schedule for the day? Schedule, or some call it schedule. All right, and then some people call it schedule. What's a schedule? Okay. Now I have another word example where our pronounced sh sound is chef. I think we've done this before, where we have the digraph ch pronouncing as sh sound. So don't say chef, please. I'm a chef, not chef. And the last one I have there is machete, machete. So try not to say machete, okay? It's machete. Okay, I hope you learned one or two there. Let's talk about word for the day. The word for the day is spelled Luxury. I take that again, Luxury. Try to pronounce that word. Okay, that word is pronounced as luxury, luxury, luxury. So it's not luxury. Please, there is luxury. Okay, luxury is very wealthy and comfortable surroundings. Very wealthy and comfortable surroundings. You can also say something very pleasant but not needed in life. That's luxury, okay? Something very pleasant but not really needed in life is a luxury. Okay, so I could give you a sentence where I say, right now I think a new car is a luxury that I can't afford. Right now I think a new car is a luxury I can't afford. So what's your own luxury you think you can't afford right now? Alright, I hope you find this video interesting. Please tell me what you think and don't forget to subscribe. Until next week, bye for now. Thanks for watching.